Hey friends, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel, Vera, where I talk about cruelty-free beauty, gothic fashion, mental health, and lifestyle. If that's stuff you're interested in talking about, be sure you click subscribe so you can join in the conversation. So today's video is basically just like a little life update, and I wanted to talk to you about the Fear NX Facebook group. So the Fear NX Facebook group is a group of men and women. There's about I think 2,100, there's over 2,000 people in there that have all come together because they love bright makeup and cruelty-free beauty, and we share all kinds of stuff there. It's basically a group that is filled with makeup lovers as well as professional makeup artists, estheticians, and hairstylists. So there's lots and lots of really great people in the group, and I wanted to go ahead and let you know that if you are needing to do any DIY beauty right now during this time, like if you're like me, you're stuck in your house and you're not going out for your nails or your hair or your brows or any of that, be sure you join the Fear NX Facebook group because we have so many experts in there that can help you if you need to DIY something at home just to get you through this time. Like specifically in the group, there are two people I can think of, Lila Bat, hi Lila, and Erica. Hello, Erica, who are really talented with hair and nails, and they can answer questions and offer suggestions. Lila's actually going to be teaching me how to do hard gel fill on my own, so I can at least attempt to maintain my nails until I can go back and see my nail girl Diamond. So I just want to let you know about the Fear NX Facebook group because I think that there's a lot of valuable resources and really awesome people in the group, and it's a great place to talk about anything related to cruelty-free beauty, gothic fashion, lifestyle, mental health, because there's such a wide variety of people in the group. And yeah, as I mentioned, men and women alike are welcome. Basically, the only criteria for joining the group is that, you have to love cruelty-free makeup. I had a few of you reach out to ask me if I'm staying safe and see how things are going here at my house. I'm fine. Everything has been fine. Dave and I are doing just fine staying at home. We're both introverts, so I don't have any problems being locked in my house for 6 months at a time. It's not going to drive me crazy. The only challenge that I have run into right now has been with Publix's Instacart system. And that's because at the time that you fill your order, they only let you check out with stuff that's available in store. But by the time somebody who can go shop goes to get your order, that stuff's gone. So like we just tried to replenish a week's worth of chicken and tuna, which are daily staples for us, and the store was completely out. We were limited to 2 cans of tuna and no chicken. So I was like, this isn't going to be fun. So instead, I'm going to order a bunch of stuff from Thrive Market and from Butcher Box because I need to be able to get like protein. So yeah. But other than that, everything has been fine. My spirits are great. I'm safe. I live in a safe neighborhood. And I'm worried so much about my friends and family who still have to go out. I found out last night that 2 of my friends are hospitalized right now. So I'm worried for them and praying for them. So yeah, come hang out in the Fear NX Facebook group with us. We would love to have you. Men and women alike are welcome. So yeah, I'll see you next time.